Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you a simple and effective way to fix Yahoo Mail login problems, so make sure you watch until the end. If you're having trouble signing into the Yahoo Mail app, don't keep trying again and again from the same screen. Instead, if you're using an Android phone, long press on the Yahoo Mail app icon and tap the Info E option. Scroll down to Storage, then tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. After that, make sure your internet connection is stable. Once everything is done, reopen the Yahoo Mail app and try logging in again. Carefully check that your email address and password are correct, as many login issues happen due to incorrect details. If you've forgotten your password or username, simply tap on Forgot Password or Forgot Username and follow the steps to recover your account. And that's it, your Yahoo Mail login issue should now be fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more quick tech tips.